Meaning of healthily.
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 Healthily. The word healthily is an adverb that describes the manner in which something is done in a way that promotes good health or well-being. When something is done healthily, it is done with a conscious effort to preserve or improve one's physical, mental, or emotional health. This can include engaging in regular exercise, eating a balanced diet, getting enough sleep, managing stress, and avoiding harmful behaviors or substances. By adopting healthy habits, individuals can experience a range of benefits, such as improved physical fitness, increased energy levels, better mood, lower risk of chronic disease, and a longer lifespan.